Hi guys, welcome back to the Birth Party channel. Today I have a super sweet, super fun to style tablescape to share with you. It's a crepe party tablescape, perfect for entertaining kids, family and friends over on Valentine's Day. My children love French pancakes or crepes. You know, the really thin pancakes that you add chocolate spread to and delicious toppings. So today I'm going to share with you how to style a beautiful, sweet and super simple crepe party tablescape. This party idea is perfect for entertaining kids on Valentine's Day, but you can of course grab some of the ideas and upgrade some of the tableware if you're hosting adults or your girlfriends for a Valentine's Day party. So just to show you how I've set up the table, I have this white tablecloth, which is very simple, and I just added a little table runner in pink polka dots to kind of break up the white a little bit. And usually for all my parties, I set the table like the night before or as much in advance as I can. So here I have the centerpiece, which is very simply a pink cake stand with a heart photo frame, which I've added a print, Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll put the link in the description box where you can download this printable and cut and use for your own party. So check that out. Also here on the cake stand, because it was a little bit empty, I thought I could add some paper cups, baking cups, where I'm going to be putting some sprinkles, some chocolate chips, some nuts, so the children can sprinkle them on the pancakes. That's a really simple centerpiece. You don't need any flowers. We're hosting children. And we have everything matching and in keeping with our Valentine's Day color scheme of red and pink. Another super fun idea which I wanted to decorate the table with are these gumball machines. And here I've got large gumballs, but for the little ones we have these mini gumball machines which are from my shop, birchparty.com, and I'll again put the link in the description box for you so you can go and check that out. And we have various colors, but for today I chose red and pink in keeping with our Valentine's Day decor, and I filled them with some candy there that the children can serve themselves while they're at the table, or they can take them home as Valentine's Day party favors, which is really cute and a really sweet idea as well. So they work just like gumball machines, and the children can serve themselves during the table, which is also super fun. And all I've done for the place settings is add this red glitter charger from Oriental Trading, and I'll leave the link in the description box for you because I thought it really contrasted well with the white tablecloth and the pink table runner. And on top of that I've added paper plates, so we have a pink striped one and a foil red heart metallic, which is so gorgeous, which I found at my local dollar store. And I just topped everything with a Valentine's Day cracker, which is also from my shop, birchparty.com, and again the link will be in the description box for you. And all I've done with these ones, with these crackers, is fill them with some heart-shaped chocolates for the children to take home. But the fun thing is that they can pull these and open these while they're at the table, and also provides a nice little fun gift for them to take home after the party. And what I've done, simply, I've made the crackers, and the templates that you can download is down in the description box again. And then what I've done, I used, this is one, and I've used a little foam sticker, and I just stuck that to the front of the crackers because it's Valentine's Day, and you can use hearts or lips or whatever you fancy. Also, to complete the table setting, of course, because we're hosting children, I'm using some disposable napkins, plates, tableware. But obviously if you're hosting adults, you can upgrade your tableware, make everything a little bit more chic and a little bit more high-end. But I'm using the pink to contrast with the red napkins, polka dots. And as you can see, we have different patterns, but in the same tones and the same hues, and they work perfectly well. So you could use stripes, you could use chevron, whatever it is. The pattern, as long as they match your color scheme, it looks super pretty, as you can see. Now for these really cute Valentine's themed place card holders for each place setting, all I've done, I found these Valentine's themed rubbers or erasers at my local dollar store, and I've made a hole and added a transparent pick and a little heart sticker so that I can write each child's name on it. It is really simple to make. You simply make a little hole in the center of your rubber with a sharp object, and make sure the hole is big enough for your pick, and then you simply use a transparent toothpick to put it inside the hole and push it gently inside the hole. These place card holders or name tags are super cute to make for Valentine's Day or for any other occasion. And of course the children can take them home as well as party favors with their names on, and they can use for photos later on as photo holders as well. I think they're really easy to make and they turn out super cute and make the table super festive for Valentine's Day. And to finish each place setting, I've used some paper cups and some cute paper straws, polka dot pink paper straws that you can also find at birdsparty.com, and again I'll put a link in the description box for you. And these straws, all I've done to decorate them is to use some foam hearts and stack them on. But of course you can use some printable hearts you can also find in our shop at birdsparty.com on a Valentine's Day theme, and we have hearts and we have different motifs as well that you can simply print at home, as many as you need, cut and stick them to your straws, to your tableware and to your Valentine's Day gifts as well. So on the table I have everything already laid out, all the bowls that I'll be using for all the side dishes, for all the toppings, for all the sprinkles, as you can see here. And I have these really pretty heart-shaped bowls which I'll put like chocolate spread, the crepes will go here. So I kind of arrange everything more or less how I think I'm going to serve everything and style everything on the day. To finish off our theme and our decorations, I've added these metallic foil red balloons that spell love, as you can see, to the backdrop of our table. They look great and are perfect for our Valentine's theme, of course. They help to fill in the blank space, but they also act as a photo booth. So for when the children want to take some photos and we want to keep some souvenirs of our Valentine's Day party. And for the shop links, as well as the recipe for our crepes that we use in our crepe party, you can find them in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. I hope you enjoyed the ideas and feel inspired to recreate them at home. And if you do, don't forget to tag us on social media so we can see your creative ideas. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.